So, what type of person or profession benefits the most by learning SP? That's in your opinion.
Um, oh, that's a tricky question, Ez. I would say more than half the people that have come to my classes have not been hypnotherapists to begin with. But the theme I have noticed is they are, for what come through classes I've taught, most of the people have been spiritual.
Mm.
Uh, and SP does differ to a lot of other hypnotic arts in that it's spiritual up front, of a lot of the processes, and when you're dealing with soul level things, it's pretty hard not to be spiritual. It's not just the just mundane life sort of problems. It's the overarching soul issues that we carry, and so
Yeah.
it seems to grab people with that. So I've had yoga teachers. I've had quite a few yoga teachers learn, and at first I thought it was only going to be something they did separate to yoga, and I've had a few of them experiment with it within yoga sessions that it works quite well
hmm I've
in
had
blending
someone
with
who
that.
did that too, and we put them in different. When they went in, they could put themselves in the yoga place, and the feelings, the sensing, the knowing, the everything.
Yes, yeah.
It was
uh,
cool.
and I've had some counselors as well, and it's very different to counseling. So but there were counselors who wanted to have a deeper spiritual practice within their counseling,
Yeah.
um, and there's a few hypnotherapists I've taught that once they've learnt this, they've put aside a lot of the other things that they were learning.